Got a quick update for you on what's going on with my YouTube channels. You saw in my previous video that YouTube deleted all 4 of my channels, over 300,000 subscribers, deleted it, gone in a matter of minutes. The big guy just took away all my YouTube channels for no reason. I posted a video on Elon Musk and Tesla, and they said, nope, we don't want you to talk about that, so we're going to delete all of your channels, and you can't get it back. They said you didn't respond fast enough, so I responded in 11 minutes, so they said that wasn't fast enough. Too slow. We're taking away your channels. Oh well, we're here now, so that's what's going on. They're also not paying me for any of the videos I've done in the past 2 months on that channel. That sucks. But at least we can still talk about crypto, stock market, what's going on. So today, we had a big announcement with Elon Musk, basically causing the entire crypto market to crash. Stocks have not been doing well. We're seeing the stock market tank today as it is. But in addition to that, we're seeing crypto crash. And a lot of this has to do with a recent tweet that Elon Musk said. He came out, changed some of Tesla's policies, what they're planning on doing with Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in the future. This caused Bitcoin's price to drop 13%. Dogecoin's price dropped 19%. Ethereum's price dropped 8.75%. And we're seeing everything start to tank. People are getting worried. I'm seeing comments saying, should I sell? What should I do? Our price is going to rebound. So today what I want to do is I want to break down everything going on. We're first going to talk about Dogecoin, what's going on there. After that, we're going to go over Bitcoin and Ethereum, talk about their prices, and throughout the whole video, we're also going to talk about Elon Musk, his recent tweet, how it affects crypto market in general. So if you enjoy this sort of content on the stock market, crypto, and tech news, well then please be sure to subscribe to my channel, join the movement. Our goal this year is to get back to 300,000 subscribers, to where before YouTube deleted all of my accounts for no reasons. We're trying to get back to that by the end of this year, have a big comeback. If you want to be part of that movement, well then really appreciate it if you guys could like the video, subscribe to my channel. But anyways, right now we're seeing Dogecoin's price crash. It's the first time we're ever seeing it in that 30 cents per coin range in about a couple of weeks. This is the lowest we have seen it in a couple of weeks before we had all of the news of Elon Musk, the SNL skit. And this is a little concerning. So what happened earlier today is exactly when we saw everything crash in the stock market, with crypto, and we also saw the stock market crash today. But what we're seeing happen right now is that Elon Musk came out on Twitter at 6:06 p.m. Eastern time, and he said Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. He said cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any of the Bitcoin they have and will intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We're looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. That's a key phrase right there. So first of all, there's 2 key things to look at. First of all is suspended vehicle purchasing using Bitcoin. As soon as we saw this come out, Bitcoin's price dropped instantly. Second important thing to look at is with looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transaction. That is important because Dogecoin, while a lot of people say it's a joke, while it's not a real crypto, it actually is one of the most efficient in terms of energy consumed for mining it. And that's because so this is potentially a clue that they are looking to do Dogecoin. It sort of lines up with what he had been saying. His tweet right before this was saying, do you want Tesla to accept Doge? And it's just ironic that we're seeing the very next tweet say we're looking at other cryptocurrencies that consume less energy than Bitcoin. Dogecoin is a crypto that consumes less energy than Bitcoin, and to see these tweets back to back, it is very, very likely that we're going to see Dogecoin be accepted by Tesla very soon. Why are we seeing it crash right now? Well, really, this has to do with the entire crypto market. So if you believe in Dogecoin long term, you think it's going to succeed, I think that this could be a great buying opportunity to get in, just because we're seeing SpaceX already accept Dogecoin. We're seeing Newegg, Dallas Mavericks, Houston Rockets, Oakland A's. We're seeing a lot of companies already accept Dogecoin, and now if Tesla announces that they will accept Dogecoin as well, which it is looking very likely that they will, they had 2 different tweets come out, well then I think we'll see Dogecoin's price rebound very nicely once we see the entire crypto market recover, come back a bit. We're just seeing a big sell-off right now as we're speaking. That's the entire, across the board, any crypto you're looking at, you're seeing it's all red. Bitcoin, 17% down. Ethereum, 13% down. XRP, 17% down. Stellar, 24% down. So it's all across the board. But I think with Dogecoin, we have a lot lining up that's going to be very, very positive for it moving forward, especially with Elon Musk. He had 2 tweets in a row that just seem very, very ironic that he had both those in a row. In my mind, it's a signal that we are going to see Elon Musk and Tesla accept Dogecoin very soon. So it could present a great opportunity to get in, because as soon as he tweets that out, I think we're going to see a lot of people who own Dogecoin want to buy a Tesla, because, you know, Elon Musk is the Doge father. And also, I think it's just going to be another positive development for Dogecoin. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. So right now, Bitcoin crashed. It was trending downwards all day. But as soon as Elon Musk tweeted about it at what time? He tweeted about Bitcoin and Tesla at 6:06 p.m. Eastern time. And if you look at Bitcoin's price, the chart, at exactly 5:59 to 6:14, it dropped about 10%. Within that 15-minute frame time window, it dropped 15%. That has a lot to do with Elon Musk, because a lot of people in the crypto world follow exactly what Elon Musk says. They look at what he's doing, what he's talking about. We saw Bitcoin's price increase drastically when he first came out and said that Tesla was going to accept Bitcoin. In my opinion, does this really matter? I don't think this is a big deal. This tweet in particular, long term for Bitcoin, it really doesn't matter. While Bitcoin isn't the most efficient in terms of energy, I think that, you know, when people talk about crypto market, it is just synonymous with Bitcoin. People think of Bitcoin, they think of crypto, they think of Bitcoin. Synonymous. So I don't think there's anything to worry about with Bitcoin long term, because more and more corporations are starting to get into it. Tesla says that they're not selling any Bitcoin, and they do intend to use it for transactions soon, but they're just waiting for it to be more energy efficient, better for the environment. So there weren't so many transactions done in Bitcoin to really make a difference for Tesla anyways, but this is just something to keep in mind moving forward. We all know that Bitcoin does consume a lot of energy. It's not great for the environment. A lot of regulators, a lot of companies are a little concerned about this. So this is the main reason why we saw the price drop pretty significantly. As soon as he tweeted this out, we saw the price tank 10 to 15%. But long term, I see this as being a great buying opportunity for Bitcoin. I see Bitcoin reaching over $100,000 per coin at some point in the very near future. So remember, we always see these corrections. We always see these pullbacks in crypto. We see big pullbacks, flash crashes. It happens very, very often. It is nothing we haven't seen before. And it is just a consistent pattern that we have seen for years and years in crypto. In my mind, I think this presents a great opportunity to get back in. We're already seeing it bounce back within the last hour or so, because it dropped down at one point to $46,000 per coin. It's already back up to right around 49,000. So I personally am buying more of it during this little bit of a flash crash. Very bullish on Bitcoin right now. Lastly, let's talk about Ethereum. So going back to Elon Musk's tweet, Elon Musk, he said they are going to be looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. This is important because with Ethereum has a couple of big upgrades taking place. They have ETH 2.0 and EIP 1559. Both of these upgrades are going to make Ethereum much more efficient. So with these two upgrades, Ethereum is going to move from proof of work to proof of stake. In addition to this, we're also going to see Ethereum reduce the gas fees are going to be reduced as well, and it's going to be 99.9% more energy efficient with these upgrades because of the changes that are taking place to the network. This is important because not only are they going to be more energy efficient with these upgrades, not only are going to be able to handle more transactions per second and a lot of other upgrades that are going to happen, but this, in my mind, is going to be a perfect fit for Elon Musk and Tesla to start accepting. We're seeing so many use cases for Ethereum. We have decentralized finance applications, we have NFTs, we have smart contracts. Once it is more energy efficient with these upgrades, which will take place later during 2021, I think we're going to see more and more companies start to look towards Ethereum. I am, out of all cryptos, the most bullish on Ethereum because of all the different use cases for it, because of these new upgrades that are happening that's going to make it more energy efficient. When companies invest, they look for, green technologies, sustainable technology, sustainable resources, and Bitcoin right now is not that. Bitcoin consumes so much energy, consumes more energy to mine Bitcoin than entire countries do. So it's not the ideal choice. Bitcoin is just like a digital gold. That's what it is. Ethereum, on the other hand, if you look at the value proposition, it has so many use cases between NFTs, smart contracts, like I've said before. But it says value proposition, global computer, and if it is able to reduce energy consumption by 99.9%. Many institutions, I think, are going to be looking clearly at Ethereum versus investing in other cryptos, because Ethereum, top 2 in terms of market cap. Bitcoin consumes a lot of energy, doesn't have as many use cases. It's a good store of value, but Ethereum, on the other hand, has more use cases. It's going to be more energy efficient, and every time I see a drop like this, I am adding Ethereum. I think we'll see Ethereum reach that $10,000 per coin range very soon. So even though we're seeing, a bit of a flash crash, which really as a result of Elon Musk's tweet, because we saw everything drop, and a couple other things going on in the market, I think this presents a great buying opportunity for any crypto you're currently bullish on. And I don't think it's any time. In my opinion, I'm not selling anything. That's what I'm doing. Could it drop more? Yeah, it could drop more. But that's why I consistently add over time to all the cryptos I really like. Ethereum is one that I definitely like. So if you enjoy this sort of content, you want more content, please be sure to check out my Patreon. I've been posting a lot more on that recently just because YouTube deleted all of my YouTube channels with over 300,000 subscribers. So I'm trying to branch out a bit, get more on other platforms because they just deleted everything for no reason. I posted a video about Dogecoin and Elon Musk. They said, bye-bye, your account's gone. So trying to post more on that Patreon, it would really help me out to support my channel, support my work. And also, don't forget, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app. That's where I do a lot of my investing for both crypto and for stocks, so you can't go wrong there. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.